Have you ever been asked to play piano by someone and you had no idea what to play? Or maybe you know a few songs but you are not sure if you remember it correctly. I will show you a few interesting patterns which you can learn very quickly and never be stressed again when you play in public. All you need to remember is C, G, A and F for your left hand and this pattern for your right hand. If you are not comfortable enough with names of each note, I would suggest putting stickers. So for the right hand, I start with the G. So this will be my G. Then I leave one white key free. Then I have 4 keys in a row. Okay? So here I have B, C, D, and E. Now left hand. Left hand plays octaves, so I will only indicate position of the first finger. Okay, we start with C, so I will need one sticker here. Then I go to the G. It will be number 2. Then A. And last F. I'm playing octaves, so you need to maintain same distance between your first and fifth finger. And don't worry if it's hard for you now, it will become quite automatic over time. Right hand is not that complicated because you won't move it at all. Right hand stays like this and each finger plays only a single note. Left hand is a little bit more complicated because you need to remember to put your first finger when this sticker indicates, so C, G, A and F, and also remember to play the octave. Yes, so make sure that your hand doesn't change distance between first and fifth finger. Okay, let's start with something easy. As an example, I will take a melody from a song I think you might know. Right hand will only play from right to left. For every 2 notes, play by left hand, like this. Right hand will move only. Okay? So for every first and last note, I will play my octaves, like this. Okay, then number 2, G. A. And now there is a change because I won't play from right to left, but I will stay in the middle and repeat note C. And the same for F. If you know this song, you might try to play a little bit with the rhythm and melody. Now let's experiment. There are only 5 notes to play with your right hand, and there are hundreds of melodies you can create. I will just experiment, yes, improvise, and see how many different melodies I can make. After some time, left hand becomes boring, so let's modify it a little bit. Instead of playing octaves, I will separate those notes and add one extra. And usually this note lies below second finger. So for the C, this additional note will be G. Then for G, it will be D. And for A, E. And for F, C. And instead of playing like this, I will play this. To make it easier, I will change position of those stickers to indicate first note I'm playing. Yes, so for C, it will be like this. I'm starting with my fifth finger. Then G. Okay, A. And F. When you add right hand, it sounds much more complex now. Okay, let's go a little bit further. I will need another set of stickers because I want to add another note to left hand. Instead of playing this, I will play this now. So I'm leaving one white key free and play the next one. So I will indicate it like this. For number 1, this is my additional note. Okay? Then for G, we have B. This will be number 2. Then I go to A. Okay? And F. Now you can play much better melodies. And the last part. I have a really nice sounding exercise for you. It will help you develop hands independence, so it will be easier for you to play completely different things with your left and right hand, and it will also help increase your speed. This exercise combines the pattern I mentioned previously. Right hand starts with G and goes from left to right and back. Left hand plays this pattern, and the same for G, A and F. The trick here is that for each single note from your left hand, there is a single note from right hand, like this. When you play it fast enough, it makes a really nice sound. You can experiment with right hand to increase difficulty. Instead of playing from left to right, I can repeat ending like this. or repeat beginning. Okay, so that would be all. Enjoy your practice and see you next time.